This melting cabbage recipe has been going so viral and I could not wait to make it. Today is finally the day. Let's get our cabbage, clean off the outer leaves. Let's cut it into 6 to 8 wedges. Get it into a pan that's been oiled with some olive oil. And then we're going to put some olive oil on the upside of our wedges. That'll just make it easier when we flip it over, and when we add our seasonings, they'll stick a little better. Let's go in with some black pepper. If you want salt, go for it. Garlic powder. Kinder's brown sugar seasoning when I cook veggies is the most delicious. I love it. Now let's cook these for about 4 to 5 minutes until they're starting to get a little charred. Flip them over, season again. Pepper, garlic powder, Kinder's brown sugar, or your favorite. Cook it for another 4 to 5 minutes until they are starting to get nice and browned. Remove them from the pan carefully. And don't worry about that pan. We are going to get that all cleaned up as we continue to cook. 2 tablespoons of butter right in. As it starts to melt down, just start scraping up those bits. All of that deliciousness. Then we're going to go in with a half of an onion that's been diced, 8 cloves of garlic that's been minced. You can do more or less, measure with your heart. Cook it until your onions are translucent and continue scraping up those bits. Then we're going to go in with 1 cup of chicken broth. And again, just keep scraping until you have them all scraped up. 2 cups of heavy cream. 1 cup of grated Parmesan, and 1 teaspoon of this Italian seasoning. If you don't have that, just use regular Italian seasoning. Cook this now for about 3 to 5 minutes until your sauce starts to thicken. If your pan is oven safe, we're just going to nestle our cabbage right back in there. If not, you'll just have to transfer everything to an oven safe pan. Get them nestled in, and let's just get our sauce over the top of that cabbage. And then we're going to put it into an oven that's been preheated at 400 degrees, and we're going to cook it for 45 minutes. I have seen people cook it for as long as 60 minutes. My cabbage was not huge. If yours is, you may need to cook it longer. Once it's out, I went in with a little more grated Parmesan. And then I literally could not wait to taste this. Cabbage is one of my favorite vegetables. And I don't know, I feel like I'm a little limited sometimes on how I cook it. This has like opened up a whole new way to eat cabbage. This was so delicious. That's 100% why it is going so viral. It was literally absolutely creamy, garlicky, Parmesan-y, delicious cabbage that my whole family loved.